Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
You see, this thing won't protect you, illegal foreigners. It won't protect you. It won't protect you, this thing. If you are in this country illegally, just go before Tuesday. Before the 30th of June, just go. Just vacate. Just run away. I don't know what might happen in those who will be still here on the 30th. I don't know what might happen, but I am giving you this free advice. Just go home. Go to your country. Just go. Just go. No one will protect you. This thing will never protect you. It will never protect you, this thing. It speaks only. Never provoke the Zulu nation. March and March is not about the Zulus. March and March is about the country, the South Africa. And this thing decides to deceive you, to put your lives in danger. This one is provoking us on your behalf. This is your enemy. This is your enemy. He is provoking the Zulu nation on your behalf. Just help yourself. Just go home. Save your soul. Go home. Because this thing will never protect you. It will never protect you, this thing. I don't know from what. I don't know what will happen on Tuesday. I don't know. I don't have a control of whatever might happen on Tuesday. But for you, if you want to be safe, just go to your country and relax. Just go to your country and be safe and relax. Enjoy your family, enjoy your country, enjoy your home. Just go back to your country. Just go back to your country. Don't be deceived. Don't be fooled. This thing, this stupid is fooling you. This thing is fooling you, is deceiving you. It won't be able to rescue you. It won't be able to protect you in whatever may happen. In whatever might happen from the 30th going there forward. So, if you want to guarantee your safety of life, just go back to your country. That is my free advice. I love you. I need you, but just be safe. Go back to your countries. Go back to your respective countries. Be safe. Be safe. Tsonga people and the Shangana people, never be deceived. Never be fooled by this stupid. Never be deceived. Never be fooled by this thing. You are one of us. We are you. You are us. There is no tribal here. We recognize the Shanganes. We recognize the Tsongas as one of us, as the South African. There is no tribalism. There is no segregation. There is nothing, no racism of whatsoever. Don't be fooled by this stupid. Don't allow this fool to fool you as well. Don't allow this thing to deceive you. Never provoke the Zulu nation. Never. Never do that. Go and ask the British. Go and ask the Dutch. Never provoke the Zulu nation. Never make that mistake. Never make that mistake. You will never succeed. You will never win against the Zulu nation. If you provoke the Zulu nation, you will pay the price. You will pay the price. This is an advice. Never provoke the Zulu nation. Stop it now. stop it now. No one will help you if we respond to you. No one will be able to keep you safe. No one will be able to protect you. No one will be able to rescue you if we respond to the provocation that we are facing. So we don't want to respond to that. Just stop it. It's not a threat. It's an advice. It's a warning. This is a warning. It's not a threat. Never provoke the Zulu nation. Because when they respond, your families, your loved ones shall cry. Never provoke us. Never make yourself to be what you cannot be. You cannot be what you are against the Zulus. Never call our names and provoke us and do whatever you are doing. If you want to do things, do your own things without provoking us. Because if we can respond to the provocations that you are doing towards us, you won't like it, your family won't like it, your loved one won't like it. So stop it. But to the illegal foreigners that are in this land, that are telling themselves that nothing will happen to them on the 30th. Hey. I will stop there. If you are being disobedient, you will reap the fruits of disobedience. But if you love yourself, be obedient. Be obedient and vacate from this country now, before Tuesday, before the 30th. Just go home, go to your country and enjoy your country. Yeah. Iloko nje bengifuna ukunitshela kona ngane zakwethu ukuthi be safe, ibani safe, philani, ibani safe. Mashangan, Matsonga, you are one of us. We love you. Thank you.
Max Makanya has hopped in this whole change that is happening in South Africa, which is the fight between foreigners and South Africans, and it has now turned to against South Africans. And here he is responding to King Zyle, the king of Batsonga, the man that stands for Limpopian people. And he's actually calling him a thing, which is just something else. He's saying, you see, this thing is not going to help you, it's not going to do this and this. This message is actually for foreigners in South Africa to say, please go home. Just go home, because King Zyle, king of Batsonga, will not be there when it's going down. He will not be there. Which for me, this one I do understand. I do get his point very, very well. He won't be there. Yes, that's true. He will not be there to protect you. So if you are in a place whereby you know they will access you easily, they will come to you easily, then you better make a plan. You better make a plan and not listen to us here on social media, because obviously when it goes down, I won't be there to protect you. He will also not be there to protect you. So it's way much better to be safe than to be sorry. Yeah. With this one, I do understand him 100%. And he said something that really stood out to me, which is do not provoke the Zulu people. Do not provoke the Zulu people. Which for me, I don't understand this term, guys. Like, I don't understand what is going on with Zulu people. What is going on? Guys, like, no one wants to be provoked in this world. No one wants to be provoked. Like, even if those people are Tsonga people, they also do not want to be provoked. No one wants to be provoked. So that's just it. Let's learn to live in peace. Yes, let's just learn to live in peace and respect other tribes as well. It doesn't matter whether this person is a Zulu, is a Tsonga, they deserve to be respected. That's just it. We are all from South Africa. No one deserves to claim South Africa more than the other tribe.